teachers, and all my fellow students. Today we, the students of class 10th, are privileged to conduct the special assembly. Aviral, would you like to tell us something more about it?
Sure, Prisha. Thank you. Once again, good morning to all. We are here to celebrate the birthday of a respected director of RN Public School, our beloved Mohit sir. Happy birthday, sir. As it is said, great souls start and end their day by taking the name of God. Therefore, we shall start our day with Gayatri Mantra. So, over to Abdul.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् Om. Now, Ananya is here for the thought of the day.
Thank you, Abdul. The thought of the day is becoming a role model is the most powerful form of educating. The meaning of the thought is if one excels in becoming a role model, then he or she plays a very influential and powerful role in education of the young mind. Well, Antriksh, you had something to say.
Birthdays are the days full of enjoyment. So Shrey, are you ready with the games?
Yes, Antariksh. Mohit sir, with your permission, shall we start a game now? In this game, you have to name as many white things that you see in the kitchen in 30 seconds. So, let's see it's Antariksh or Mohit sir who will win. Your time starts now.
White things. Curd. Milk. Sugar.
Well, I have been very frequently going to the kitchen and using my skills in the kitchen too. So if I have to name quickly the things which are white in the kitchen, well, I'll start quickly. Milk, skimmed milk, full cream milk.
Don't cheat.
Sugar, sugar-free, salt, rice, cauliflower, garlic, white bread, white butter, white cheese, pizza base, maida. That's quickly that I can remember.
Done. That's it.
The winner of the game is Mohit sir.
That's not all, friends. We have got some questions for Mohit sir. So, here we have Arjun, Palak and Ayush Pratap to interview Mohit sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Sir, we are curious to know about that one incident of your school life which you still hold close to your heart.
Well, one incident, if I have to recall, that I remember the most of my childhood. Well, everyone's childhood is full of some beautiful memories, and I'm sure the students staying at home are also going to treasure this time that they're spending with their parents, with their grandparents. There is another part of it, that is the naughtiness that they are missing with their classmates, which because of the school closure they are not able to complete. Well, if I have to recall some memorable incident, reminds me of a little naughty incident when I was in a boarding school in Nainital. On a Sunday, bright Sunday, we boys, 10-12 boys, decided to go out to the golf links course and play cricket with a tennis ball. It was wonderful to play in those lush green slopes of the hills, and after completing our breakfast, we boys ran with our bats, the wickets and the tennis ball for a wonderful day of cricket. And as a surprise, my mother, Madhu ma'am, that we all know of, thought of giving a surprise to me by coming on a Sunday and visiting because parents were permitted to visit on Sundays, and as luck would have it, we had the strictest teacher on duty on that day. The whole school went about looking for me. Along with me, it also became that there were some more boys.
Happy birthday, sir. Could you please share the secret mantra that helped you to climb the ladder of success?
Well, if I have to tell about my success mantra, the first quality which I can recall is sincere hard work. I work as a team. And the third would be adapt quickly to the changing times. Well, if there is anything which is linked to education, I am very curious to learn and to adapt it quickly into the school system for the benefit of our all dear students.
Happy birthday, sir. Sir, how do you manage your day-to-day activities of the school in this trying time?
Well, the present pandemic, which is affecting the entire world, had posed a great challenge in the field of education as well. Well, all schools and particularly RN adapted quickly to this trying time and used the technology to its best. We adopted the system of audio, video and Zoom meeting sessions wherein the teaching learning process could be continued without any delay and to the best effective use. To that, I thank all the teachers for their hard work, for their planning, and to all the students who adapted so well with sincerity that the teaching learning process has progressed very well and in a very effective manner.
Thank you, sir. Well, that's not all. Sit back and watch the dance that our friends have prepared for sir's birthday.
आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, आज की जंग तो बोलो तेरे पलक से। साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल। I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday.
Childhood shows a man as morning shows the day, and same goes for Mohit. Heartiest congratulations to the whole Aryan family and God's grace, especially on this day as it happens to be your Mohit sir's birthday. We thank the Almighty for having blessed us with the wonderful students and a team of very dedicated, sincere teachers who are headed by a very hard-working principal, Mrs. Bhavna Banot, and each and every member of Aryan team who under Mohit and Nidhi's stewardship are moving forward with high spirit and passion for learning during this troubled and challenging times. Our prayers.
Dear children and parents, grandparents, all citizens, my heartiest congratulations on the birthday of Mohit sir, and would like to only say that we will be missing you all on this day, that is 24th April.
Happy birthday, Mohit sir. Your birthday is an excellent opportunity for us to express our gratitude to you. Your actions have taken the Aryan Education Society to next level. Your honesty, humble nature, wise words and determination are admirable. Your commitment and sacrifice towards this great citadel of learning is what we are thankful for. May you always continue to inspire us. Thank you, sir. Happy birthday to you once again.